beauties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this video is really special for me and you guys. So I know many of you, I think all of you have heard about rice water. So this is the best, this is the most important composition of Korean beauty, Korean skincare. If you are just confused about how to use this, so today I will share 3 types of usage of rice water that will completely change your skin and hair. So let's start. So when it comes to ancient Asian beauties, rice and rice water, both of them were the most important ingredient of their beauty products, makeup products or skincare products. So today I will tell you 3 methods. First one is use raw rice water. Yes, soak around half cup of rice into 200 ml water and leave it for 30 minutes, minimum 30 minutes, and maximum you can leave it overnight, and it's ready. If it smell bothers you, you can add a little bit of flower, essential oil, any lavender, rose, whatever. So yeah, your raw rice water is. Second method, you can use boiled rice water. So yes, when you are cooking rice, ask your mother for around 100 ml of boiled rice water, because almost everyone cooks rice every day, so you don't need to store it. You can use it for one time. So yeah, take a cotton ball, dip it into the boiled rice water and just simply wipe your face, and that's it. Number 3, fermented rice water. So fermented rice water is a very crucial ingredient of many hair care products, skincare products. So I know it's a little bit weird, but you can make it at home. Soak half cup of rice into 1 or 200 ml water, 200 ml water, and leave it for 2 days, and will smell. So now your fermented rice water or rice wine is ready. So now how to use this? Do not apply it directly. Around 20 ml of rice water and dilute it into 150 ml of water, and now you can spray it over your hair, you can spray it over your face. This way rice water will change your skin and hair. So rice water contains vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, flavonoids, phenolic compounds, ferulic acid, etc. So all of these ingredients are enough to lighten your skin, brighten your skin. Rice water also minimizes your open pores. You can use it as your natural toner. Even you can mix it with your homemade serum. You can make essence with it. I will show you how to make essence with rice water very soon. Just wait for that, and yeah, I will show you that I often apply this, and this is so refreshing. You can actually store raw rice water and fermented rice water in a plastic bottle for around 1 week, sure, to store it into refrigerator. Okay, so now let's talk about its benefits. So it helps in skin lightening, skin brightening. It minimizes open pores, and the most important thing, it reduces wrinkle. It makes your skin firm and tight, and it actually hydrates your skin and your hair. It also smoothens your hair, and it reduces split ends because it really provides every kind of nourishment to your hair. And and one more thing, it heals your sun damage. So I think this is really important for our daily life, so I highly suggest you guys to use this. Let me know how it worked for you in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram, or you can use my hashtag TheBeautyFly68 and post your photo on Instagram. So yeah, I think it's helpful for you because I personally love rice water a lot, and I know you guys will be benefited with this amazing ingredient. So see you later.